Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. If you have a child that loves Gravity Falls, you've got to get them the Gravity Falls journal. My son binged the show recently, quickly became obsessed, so I knew he had to have this. What's great about this is it's a replica of the actual journal in the show, but because it's a book, you can leaf through and read all the mysterious details about Gravity Falls, like the different creatures they discover. And another fun detail is that the sleeve of this book comes off, and on the back side is the blueprint to the machine in Gravity Falls. So my son enjoyed the show so much because he loves anything that is mysterious, and that's what Gravity Falls is all about. And this journal allows your child to really dissect all the mystery, to learn all the details, and he loves it. So any Gravity Falls fan is going to absolutely love this journal. And that's my point of view.